Good morning, students. Let's start again our portion of Standard 7 General Science with our continuing lesson number 3, Properties of Natural Resources. We are discussing on page number 20 the anomalous behavior of water. Usually when the temperature of a substance is lowered, its density increases as the volume decreases. But water is an exception to this rule. You can refer this diagram on our slide number 1. Keep a glass full of water is in the freezer for 5 to 10 minutes, then take it out and observe it carefully. From which part in the glass does the water first start freezing? It starts freezing from the upper side of the glass. That means that the density of water is peculiar. When water is at the normal temperature, starts cooling, its density increases like that of most liquids. However, if its temperature falls below 4 degrees Celsius, its density starts decreasing. This means that the density of water is maximum at 4 degrees Celsius. If the temperature of water is lowered below 4 degrees Celsius, its density decreases and volume increases. It means that water expands when the temperature falls below 4 degrees Celsius. This is called as the anomalous behavior water. Therefore, in the diagram, the water at the 1 degree Celsius and minus 1 degree Celsius, you can see that it is a liquid form, and this means that is the anomalous behavior of water. Now, in the cold countries, how do aquatic animals remain alive even after the rivers or lake freeze in water? Because of the answer is that because of the anomalous behavior of water. The upper layer of the cold countries become freeze, and underneath there is a water, therefore the aquatic animals remain alive. Now here on page number 21 of your textbook there is some activity of try this you have given. Take 2 big glasses of water, add 4 to 5 spoonful of salt in to the water in one glass and dissolve it completely. Now place A. When you have take only a 4 full spoonful of salt to the water in one glass and dissolve it completely. Now place a potato water in the second glass. The potato will see. Second glass में जो potato है उसमें हमने स्पूनफुल ऑफ वाटर डाला है और फर्स्ट में हमने कोई वाटर नहीं डाला है. जिसमें सॉल्ट है उसमें हमारा पोटैटो सिंक फ्लोट हो रहा है, और जिसमें नहीं है उसमें हमारा पोटैटो सिंक हो रहा है. Why is it? Therefore, why it is happening? Because the density of water in that glass is greater due to the dissolved salt. The potato floats in the water because of the increased density of the water. This is useful in the sea to swim the swimmer easier than in a whale or a lake. Now, check in the above activity. The salt dissolved in the water in the glass that it disappears. What happens when it disappears like this? When the salt dissolves in water, its particles spread in water. Slowly they become smaller and smaller. Ultimately, they become so small that they cannot be seen. That is, they mix completely with water, and that is called as a dissolving. Depending on this, we can we can got three conclusion, that is solute, solvent and solution. So what is meant by solute? The substance that dissolves. Here in the activity, the substance dissolves is salt. Solvent, the substance in which the solute dissolves. Here is the water. And what is the solution? What we get with the solute dissolves in the solvent is the mixture of this salt and water is the solution. Now what is the properties according the uses of water. Water is useful for water transport due to its fluidity. बहने, फ्लूडिटी मतलब बहने की जो फ्लो होने की जो है, जिसके कारण वो ट्रांसपोर्टेशन में यूजफुल होता है. वाटर फॉलिंग डाउन फ्रॉम अ हाइट इज यूज टू जनरेट इलेक्ट्रिसिटी विद द हेल्प ऑफ अ जनरेटर. फ्लूडिटी के कारण हम लोग उसको ऊपर से फ्लो कर सकते हैं, जिसके कारण हम उसको यूज़ कर सकते हैं इलेक्ट्रिसिटी जनरेशन के लिए. This how this electricity is generated with the help of water. These all is in the 10th standard. There is a separate concept on based on this. Now the second one, what is water is a good coolant and used in the motor vehicles to control the temperature of the engine. Coolant मतलब ठंडा करने का बहुत अच्छा है, इसीलिए उसको मोटर व्हीकल्स में टेम्परेचर को मेंटेन करने के लिए इंजन का कूलेंट के तौर पे यूज़ किया जाता है. नाउ थर्ड पॉइंट इज दैट मेनी सब्सटेंसेस आर सोल्यूबल इन वाटर. बहुत ज़्यादा सब्सटेंस सोल्यूबल मतलब डिजॉल्व हो जाते हैं उसके अंदर, इसीलिए वाटर इज़ अ यूनिवर्सल सॉल्वेंट. वाटर यूज्ड एज अ सॉल्वेंट इन फैक्ट्रीज, लैबोरेटरीज, foodstuffs and in various types of biological processes occurring in the body such as digestion, excretion, etc. Not even in the factories and laboratories foodstuffs it is used as a coolant, but in our body also water is used as a solvent. Fourth point, water is useful for cleaning purposes such as for bathing, washing clothes and etc. Tremendous. That's why many times we say that water is a life also, because water we use for our daily activities as well as our for nurturing our body. That's why water is called as a universal solvent, and also water is a life. Now about the soil. Now what is the soil and how its color? Properties of soil. The color. The soil gets its color as a result of several processes. Again, the color of particular land is dependent upon the soil color. When you observe the different color of this, it's got because of the particular soil. It get color. Land, because of particular land. Color of soil near land surface is darker than the color of the lower layers. Now the color depending on this, the colors of soils are black, red, copper, yellow and grey. Classification of the land is done from the color of the soil. Properties of land are also dependent on the color of the soil present here. Properties of the soil such as fertility, drainage of water, capacity to hold water depend on its color. The color of the soil is dependent upon its texture, organic ingredients and chemical ingredients like contents of iron and lime. That's why many regions have a different color soil. In Maharashtra, the color of the soil is black. When you go in the Chhattisgarh, the color of the soil is red. Even in Uttarakhand, even in Bihar, the color of the soil is red. When you go into the Rajasthan, Gujarat, there is a color of the soil is a grayish color, yeah, some ash color. That's why we got a multan mitti. That means that the color of the land decide the color of the soil. In the next period we discuss about the texture of the soil, and depending upon this color of the soil and the capacity to hold the water, there is some little experiment on page number 22. Try this experiment we can perform in the class also when our school will reopen. Till students, bye bye.